Okay, let's talk about something that's going to affect millions of us. The way you handle your taxes here in the UK, well, it's about to change in a really big way. By 2026, AI is set to completely transform the landscape. In this discussion, which we've put together with the experts over at ProTax Accountant, we're going to break down exactly what's coming, why it matters to you, and, most importantly, how you can get ready. So, get this. By 2026, HMRC isn't just going to wait around for your annual tax return anymore. Nope, they'll be getting your business data every single quarter. So the real question becomes, when you file your return, is it going to match the picture they already have of you? That little bit of wiggle room we all used to have, it's pretty much disappearing.
Right, so what's the big deal here? What's driving this huge shift? It all comes down to a government initiative called Making Tax Digital, or MTD for short. And believe me, this isn't just some minor update. It is a fundamental revolution in how millions of us, especially the self-employed and landlords, are going to report our earnings.
Here is the number you absolutely need to remember: £50,000. From April 2026, if you're a freelancer, you run a small business, or you're a landlord, and your income is over that £50,000 mark, well, Making Tax Digital is no longer a choice. It becomes mandatory. This is the deadline, and it is coming up fast. So what does MTD for your income tax self-assessment actually mean for you day to day? Well, you can say goodbye to that shoebox crammed with faded receipts. And you can forget about that mad last-minute dash to file your return. Instead, you'll have to keep all your records digitally and send summary updates of your income and expenses to HMRC every 3 months using specific approved software. It's a move from a once-a-year headache to a constant, ongoing digital conversation.
Now let's flip the coin and look at the other side of this. While you're getting all your digital ducks in a row, HMRC has been building its own incredibly powerful tool. It's called Connect, and you can think of it as a digital detective, an AI system that's working 24/7, piecing together a detailed financial puzzle for every single taxpayer in the UK.
And the reach this system has is just wow. Connect isn't just looking at what you tell it. It's pulling data from your bank accounts, even international ones. It sees when you buy or sell a property through the land registry. It knows what you're selling on eBay, the income you're making from your Airbnb, and it sees your PayPal transactions. It then takes all of that and cross-references it with everything they already have on you. It literally connects all the dots.
So, just how much data are we talking about here? It's staggering. Billions. With a B. Billions of little pieces of information. Connect swims through this massive ocean of data to build your profile, and its whole purpose is to spot things that just don't add up. If the money coming into your online shop doesn't quite match what you've declared, bang, it gets flagged instantly.
Okay, I know that sounds a little intense, right? A bit Big Brother, but stay with me here because this next part might just surprise you. This exact same technology isn't just something to be worried about. It can actually be your single greatest ally in this new world. It's all about turning AI to your advantage.
Let's just break it down like this. On one hand, you've got HMRC's AI. Its job is enforcement, profiling risk, and spotting anything unusual in real time. But on the other hand, you can use your own AI tools. For what? For automating your compliance, for catching your own errors before they become a problem, and even for getting incredible strategic insights and forecasts for your business. It's the same tech, just pointed in a different direction.
And we're not just talking hypotheticals. The numbers are in, and they're pretty incredible. Small accounting firms that have embraced AI are seeing a huge 37% drop in manual errors. Think about that. Fewer mistakes, way less risk of a penalty. And on top of that, they're spending 31% less time on all that boring, repetitive data entry. This is a total game changer. So 18 hours. To put that into perspective, that's almost 19 hours saved every single week for the average practice. That's a massive amount of time. It lets your accountant stop being just a number cruncher and start being a true strategic partner. So instead of just logging last month's receipts, they can use AI to forecast your cash flow for the next 6 months and warn you about a potential problem way ahead of time. So does this mean your accountant is about to be replaced by a robot? No way! Not at all. As this quote from an expert makes clear, the point isn't to replace people. An AI is amazing at crunching numbers, but it can't understand the unique story of your business, your goals, or your industry. That's where that human touch, that creativity and real-world understanding is still absolutely essential.
All right, here's a quick pro tip for you. And honestly, This might be the best piece of advice you get all year. Don't wait until the last minute. The single best thing you can do to get ready is to start digitizing your records right now, today. Just download a simple receipt scanning app on your phone and get into the habit. Future you will be very, very grateful.
So we know what's coming. We know the risks, and we know the massive opportunities. The big question is, what do you actually do about it? Let's map out a clear action plan so you can step into this new era of tax with confidence.
Look, it really boils down to a super simple 3-step plan. First, know your deadline. Take a look at your income and confirm if that £50,000 threshold applies to you for April 2026. Step 2, get your digital tools. Start looking into MTD-compatible software now, don't put it off. And step 3, which is maybe the most crucial, seek expert advice. Find a tech-savvy accountant who gets all this stuff and can make sure your transition is seamless.
So here's the bottom line. The future of tax is digital. It's happening in real time, and it's being driven by AI both for you and for HMRC. This isn't some far-off sci-fi thing. It's happening right now. The question you need to be asking yourself is no longer if you're going to use this technology, but how you're going to use it to your advantage.
Now, of course, a quick and important note. Please remember that all the information we've shared here today is for general guidance. Your financial situation is unique, so this isn't a substitute for personalized professional advice. It's always a good idea to chat with a qualified expert before making any big decisions. And if you're looking for that expert guidance on how to navigate making tax digital, how to use AI for your business, or pretty much any other tax matters, we highly recommend getting in touch with the specialists at ProTax Accountant. You can reach them on WhatsApp or give them a call on 07985 689912, or you can drop them an email at info@protaxaccountant.co.uk. Thanks so much for your time.